Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an unboxing, and well, first of all, it is officially summer here in California. It's very hot, it's so humid. I mean, it's just so uncomfortable being outside. I mean, I was outside earlier for like few minutes. It's just so weird. It's like it's very hot. But anyways, since it is already summer, so this particular bag is a clear bag. So I ordered a clear bag. I don't know if probably you guys already familiar with the company called Staud. So they are actually based here in Los Angeles, and I have a PVC bag, and it's a clear bag. Definitely this is perfect for summer, I'm pretty sure. So let's open it. Hello there, dust bag. Okay, let's put the one aside, but here is the thing. Okay, this is the clear bag. Oh my gosh, they wrapped this one really well. Okay, oh my goodness. This is so nice, the way they wrap it. It's all, look at that. This is how it looks. Let me just take it out from, it's huge. Wow. It's so gigantic. Wow, that's a lot of stuffing right there, but this is how the bag looks like. So this is a Staud Shirley with the Croc embossed right there. That's a crocodile, embossed crocodile right there. Yeah, this one is really heavy. Like the material, the plastic itself feels like heavy, and that's something to tell you that it's very well made. And also this one, yeah, this is the top handle. This one is also made up of an embossed Croc leather. Yes, it says this one is made up of calf leather though. That's what it says on the website. And that is so pretty. And also the insert, let's look at the pouch. The pouch is so beautiful, guys. The pouch is gigantic. Oh my gosh. This is how the pouch looks like. It's beautiful. And it's in a gold hardware. Let's open this one. It says there, Staud right there. So let me open it. Oh wow, the zipper is so smooth. Oh my goodness, look at that. You know guys how I'm crazy about zippers. So anyways, this one comes in a gold hardware. That's how the bottom looks like. On the side, on the other side as well. On the inside, yeah, there's a lot of stuffing inside. It's just, let me see, let me just take this some out of here. Okay, that's the logo inside right there. It says Staud. And there is no pockets on the inside. It's just like one large opening. Yeah, just like that. And then the interior lining is fabric in black. Wow, so much space in here. This was well made, apparently, but I'm just surprised how gigantic, how huge. It's humongous, like it's crazy. My gosh, I'm surprised. So let me just take a look at the measurements for this. So the measurement for this one is, let me put this one back on the inside. Wow, it's huge. I still can't get over how big it is. Anyways, so the length is 14.5 inches. 14.5. And then the height with the handle is 13 inches. And also with the height just at the edge over here at the PVC is 10.5, and the width is 5. Wow, it's gigantic. It's huge. Wow, it's so pretty. Yeah, this is perfect for summer if you go to the beach. I'm so sorry, guys. I needed to tie my hair. I feel so uncomfortable, just like, you know, I'm having such a bad hair days at the moment. But anyways, so this one is made up of a clear PVC bag. It is so clear, crystal clear. It's made up of a really high quality PVC. I can feel it. It's sturdy. The bottom is really sturdy. The stitching right at the corner, you could see through it. It's beautiful. Well done. At the side corners at the bottom, yeah, it's so beautiful. Wow. So most of the time, usually like in the past, when I used to buy a PVC bag, they tend to be so like they flimsy. It's a little bit flimsy, you know. But this one, it's like very thick material though, very thick. And also the handle. Looking at the handle, let me see if I could put my arms. Yeah, I can put my arms on this. It's really nice. Wow, look at that. I love it. It looks very nice, I think. I love it. I could just take it out the pouch inside if I really wanted to use something else. But the pouch itself is really heavy and it's thick. Yeah, it's heavy and it's thick and it's so big. Oh my goodness. So big, but anyways, it is nice. So if you wanted to I think they have 15% off on your first order for this. So if you are interested, then yeah, I think you'll get 15% for your first order only. And yes, this is such a heavyweight PVC material, and if you're only interested with, you know, with this particular bag, you could customize it yourself. And pretty much I was already thinking of, there's a lot of things that I could use with the bag. Pretty much more, I could picture out myself going in the beach wearing this, traveling in the summer with this bag. It is so lovely. It is so beautiful, like that. Oh, I left something else inside. So anyways, that's it for my Staud Shirley. The name of this bag is Shirley Croc Embossed, and this one is in black. So I got the black color, and this is humongous. It is gigantic. It's like, well, I like, most of my purses lately are tiny or small, but I'm just surprised this one, it's like, well, I look at the measurements, but I did not really expect that this is gigantic. Like, wow, this is huge. But apart from that, the quality, talking about the quality, I can already tell. I just saw this one, and it's made up of really such a good quality material. I mean, yeah, it's sturdy. It is has a good weight in it. And it looks like the edge around this one is really like strong. I mean, this is not like PVC, like a regular PVC. It's like, it's flimsy. But this, I just hope, the only thing that I would hope for this particular with the clear bag, it's not gonna oxidize. Like, it's gonna turn yellow in the next couple of months or so. So yeah, sometimes like when you buy something, especially with PVC clear bags, it's like after a couple of months or a few uses, then they started to turn yellow. So I just hope with this bag that's not gonna happen. But apart from that, it is beautiful. It's gigantic. It's perfect for summer. And yes, that's it for today, guys, for my unboxing on this lovely Staud. I was totally astonished at how gigantic it is. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next unboxing video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye.